Brandon dances. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Ryan.
And we want to ask you guys to do us a favor. If you don't mind liking, subscribing, ringing the notification bell, and sharing this content with your friends, and checking out merch.
Yeah.
We have that stuff too. Link is in the description below.
It is. Check it out, guys.
And we ask you to do that right now. That might be a little premature.
Yeah.
Make sure you like the video all the way through.
Yeah, you can actually do all that after you watch the video.
Yeah. But we just want to get it out of the way before we forget to ask.
Right.
That's the one thing we ask.
You know, forget stuff all the time.
We ask a lot of you guys. We're sorry.
And thank you.
All right, guys. On to today.
What do we have, Brandon?
Hey,
we've got a box.
We've had this for, a little bit here now. We've had this for, about a month or so. So we got to it finally.
Yes.
We've gotten a glove box before. If you guys don't know what glove box is, we're not talking about inside the car where you keep your registration.
And your gloves.
I guess that is a glove box. We're talking about glove box detailing. Glove box detail. Wait.
Yes.
Gloveboxdetail.com.
Let's show them.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys.
Again, glove box. It's cool. We have a video from doing one of these curated boxes before. It's a monthly subscription.
Yeah, of curated detail product goodness.
And remember what wowed us, and I'm sure it's like, maybe it's this way again, maybe it's not, we don't know, that everything it's a system they kind of give you to do everything with what they give you. It's not just random. This is actually a lot of thought put into these. So they're kind enough to send us a second box, as you can see. Sorry.
That does say Brandon on it.
Somebody wrote Brandon on there. So it's mine.
It is yours.
See ya. No. But I'm going to let you open it.
Oh, give me the dangerous part. You know me and sharp knives.
So we just want to share with you guys an unboxing, and supposedly
right
this is a really cool box from what I understand this month.
So the cool part though is, as Brandon was saying earlier, the products aren't just randomly chosen and put in here. Thought goes.
Yeah. These guys know what they're doing and know what they're research this and yeah. And also we want to put out there, we have a discount code for you guys if you're interested in getting yourself some glove box detail products. Pure 20, that's capital PURE 20. Put that in at gloveboxdetail.com to get 20% off.
Yeah. Thank you, Glovebox.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
We appreciate you and you, the viewers. So, wow, check it out. I love this.
Good presentation.
Love this box, yeah. If you haven't seen one of these yet, it's worth checking out, guys.
Well, I do want to make clear real quick, this is the September box. You're seeing this video after September.
Right.
But we want to show you what's in the September box, and they're different every month. So.
Yeah. So they give you a step-by-step guide. That's right up on top there. And it goes through everything that's in here, right?
Yep.
And
kind of tells you exactly how to use what is in this box in conjunction with each other.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Kind of what we were saying. So I'll read in a moment if we need to. Ooh. Well, let's a sticker.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's part of the towel.
Is it really?
Car Beauty?
No,
it's just
it is a sticker. Car Beauty Pro, the professional way.
Car Beauty Pro.
Check that out, guys. Got this cool sticker. I'm just going to put everything in front of Brandon.
Thanks. Well, you know what? I'll go over.
Yeah, why don't you...
that's the Glovebox 3-inch vinyl sticker. There's probably another one in there. Okay.
Yeah. That's not the Glovebox one.
This total box, I want to say real quick, has a total retail value of $129. That's why I said I'm pretty sure it's a pretty special box. So that's crazy.
That is. Wow.
All right, let's go ahead. Do you want to grab we got some microfibers there that look pretty awesome.
Yeah, so we've got these two microfibers.
They are from Prorax. So we have Prorax 400 GSMs microfibers.
Easy for you to say. Oh yeah,
so nice.
Got black and gray here. I'll put those in front of me.
I like with the red trim on there. That's cool.
Yes.
All right, what we got next?
So how about you kind of tell me where to go, because I can see everything.
Yeah, there's a lot in here. I'm going to say, grab that applicator.
Okay, we've got this.
I like that because it's
a really thick applicator.
Okay, we know this company, the Rag Company.
Oh, yeah.
Pearl Puck applicator. It's the Pearl Puck.
Okay, fits in the hand really nice.
Different, I've never seen anything like that.
I really like how it fits in the hand really well.
I'm going to tell you real quick. Oh, the Pearl Puck Applicator is a collab between two industry leaders, Rag Company and Auto Fiber.
Auto Fiber
out there. So that's cool.
Yeah. Wow.
So we
looking forward to trying this out.
Apply your waxes and.
So what do we have there in step or the next?
These are those say. What is that?
This is Synergy paint.
Oh, that's a ceramic coat.
Ceramic coating, guys.
Whoa.
Holy molies.
There's the value.
Check it out. And this, I guess, would go.
So that is Prorax. It's the Pro. Synergy ceramic paint coating. That's a $99 value in that right there.
Wow.
Whoa.
See, so guys,
I mean, ceramic coat.
These things, to get these products, every month, it's just like, it's like Christmas every month. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to, you know what I like about ceramic coatings? The little glass bottles. Yeah, see?
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Glass bottle.
Yep.
Cool. See, there we go. Now we got the match.
Yep.
Car Beauty Pro. So I'll put that, okay, I don't want to drop this. You want to do that? Oh, yeah, look. We've got the little.
Check it out, guys.
So I just want to show you what's in this box real quick. We'll obviously review this. But you got your applicator block, and then your little suede cloth, you wrap around.
Very cool.
Oops.
Wow.
I'm kind of fumbly right here right now, but drop, apply.
Yep.
Cool, we'll do that. We'll put that on. Maybe we'll do that on the hood or something fun. So,
all right.
Awesome.
So kind of staying along those lines there.
What we got next?
We have this Synergy ceramic detail spray. So this would, again,
there you go,
work along with that product. Once you have the coating, and then this is
protect it, or keep up, maintain with your ceramic detail spray. That's awesome.
Oh my goodness! I didn't expect
a full system.
This amount of goodness in the box. I mean,
and there's still something else.
Oh yeah, we're not. We got one more done.
It looks bottle shaped. I actually know what it is because I looked on here, but I won't.
Okay, and again, if I know we've already said this, but very well packaged.
Yes, always.
We appreciate that.
Yeah, nice.
Epic ceramic final prep wipe.
Oh, it's kind of like your IPA wipe, right? Or
yes.
So I say IPA, not the beer, right? IPA, that's right. Ooh, isopropyl alcohol. Yes, but I don't know if that's what this is. But that's what we've used.
But this is meant for that
after you've polished.
Apply
and done all your compound and polish. This is your prep spray before you put the
right. So I guess we kind of unboxed these
reversed
backwards,
but you guys know, you get it.
But again, we didn't open this box until you guys were all here.
We didn't know what was in here.
Go through this unboxing with us.
These are always fun.
So yeah,
these like sprayers
and a sprayer
and a barking dog
for the epic ceramic final prep wipe.
And then I'm gonna hold this up there. We've got their whole system from Car Beauty Pro.
Oh, look at that. There it is.
So there's the options. We've got the paint, which we have here. It looks like they have a bottle for glass sealer, or ceramic coating for glass, excuse me, and trim ceramic coating.
Here, let's
so check that out.
Let's hold that up there, guy, so that everybody can see that. Yeah. Synergy ceramic coatings. Wow.
So actually, what I'm seeing in this box is going to warrant another video, Ryan, and everything can be done in one video.
Yeah.
Right? Because we've got a whole system here, basically.
Yeah, so that's so cool that that Glovebox sends this out monthly. Now, again, Brandon said this earlier. This is the September box. Yeah. We don't know what's in October or November coming up here, or whenever you see this video, but it's just worth looking into.
Mm-hmm. And from what I'm reading, you can use this to apply the ceramic coating. I was just reading the steps. And you don't have to use the applicator that's in here because it says, I just want to read this real quick.
Oh, please do. I mean,
it says, now that your exterior paint surfaces are free of impurities, which that's because you've used this step, the prep wipe, grab the Pearl Puck applicator. And remember we said it's a collab between Rag Company and Auto Fiber. Next, grab the Prorax Synergy ceramic paint coating, which is in this box, your ceramic coating. Add a few drops to the puck and apply the ceramic to your surface using overlapping horizontal motions over a 4x4 area. You'll notice the rainbow after that. We'll do a video. Mm-hmm. But I just thought that's different. That's a different way to apply with one of these.
That's nice.
So I like that.
Again, what I really like about the Glovebox boxes is it's thought through. It's not random stuff just thrown in a box and
like,
here you go.
I can use this maybe once in a while, or use this here, or use this here. It's meant to work together.
Yeah, and it's not just a box of like little samples. It's like full-on product.
Yeah, you got a full bottle. Look at
now we've got a full.
This is not a sample.
Full ceramic coating kit right here. Wow.
So guys, our suggestion: maybe get yourself a subscription to the Glovebox.
Yeah,
that's
again,
pretty amazing.
They were kind enough. Glovebox was kind enough to put up a code so you guys save on it.
Yep.
So Pure20.
Capital PURE20.
Take advantage of it. I mean, why the heck not?
So we'll put all this back in the box, and when we get back to it, we will put the system on a panel.
Yep, sounds good.
All right.
So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it.
And again, thank you, Glovebox. You sent us this to check out and review, and wow, amazing. Appreciate it, guys.
So, until the next video, we'll see you later.
All right, guys, later.
Bye.
Wait, I can't.
Wait.
If I go this way, there's no door.
Well, you could always cut in a door over there.
No door.
No door.
Knife.
Ow.